Hello and welcome, dear followers. Whether you're new or longtime fans of our wonderful channel, we are thrilled today to learn together how to make one of the most delicious desserts, Sablé cookies. Follow along attentively and don't miss any part of this delightful experience. Before we dive into the delicious recipes, we strongly encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get all the latest and exciting updates from our diverse content. Let's start together with preparing the amazing sablé dough. We'll need simple yet quality ingredients for a fantastic result. 250 grams of softened butter, 125 grams of fine sugar, 1 egg, 500 grams of flour, and a small teaspoon of vanilla. Begin by creaming the butter and sugar until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Then add the egg and vanilla, mixing them thoroughly. Gradually add the flour while continuously mixing until you achieve a smooth and homogeneous dough. The next crucial step for achieving perfect results is to wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes to allow it to rest well. Afterward, roll out the dough on a floured surface until it reaches about ½ centimeter thickness. Using appropriate cookie cutters, cut out the dough into beautiful and varied shapes, adding a touch of fun and creativity to the process. Preparing for the final step, place the shaped sablé cookies on baking trays lined with parchment paper and bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn beautifully golden and crispy. Once the sablé cookies have completely cooled, it's time for the final decorative touch. You can use melted chocolate, your favorite fruit jam, or sprinkle powdered sugar to add delicious and attractive finishing touches. Additionally, you can enhance the cookies with crushed nuts like pistachios or almonds for added flavor and visual appeal. Experience in making sablé cookies requires some skill and precision, but with proper guidance, you can achieve excellent and perfect results. Here are several tips to ensure your success in preparing and preserving sablé cookies. 1. Use high-quality ingredients. Choose fresh butter and fine flour for a smooth and homogeneous dough. 2. Follow the correct proportions. Maintain a precise balance of ingredients, especially butter and sugar, to achieve the desired texture and delicious taste. 3. Chill before rolling. After mixing the dough, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out. This helps reduce shrinkage and facilitates shaping. 4. Precise cutting. Use floured cutting tools to minimize dough sticking and maintain the desired cookie shape. 5. Oven temperature control. Preheat the oven and set it to a specific and even temperature to ensure consistent baking of the sablé cookies. 6. Continuous monitoring. Monitor the cookies closely while baking to avoid over-browning, as baking time may vary depending on the oven and dough type. 7. Cooling after baking. Once removed from the oven, allow the sablé cookies to cool completely on a cooling rack before handling them to prevent breakage and preserve their crispness. 8. Healthy storage and packaging. To maintain the freshness of the sablé cookies, store them in airtight containers or glass jars, avoiding exposure to humid air. 9. Careful decoration. Before serving, decorate the sablé cookies with melted chocolate, crushed nuts, or other toppings of your choice to give them a distinctive final touch. 10. Enjoy the presentation. Serve the sablé cookies beautifully arranged on elegant serving plates, or place them in transparent gift boxes to present them as delicious and unique gifts to loved ones and friends. By following these tips, you will surely succeed in preparing sablé cookies with precision and success, making your experience unforgettable for yourself and those around you. Finally, to present sablé cookies beautifully, you can arrange the pieces elegantly on lace-decorated serving dishes or place them in transparent gift boxes to give as delicious and distinctive gifts to loved ones and friends. We hope you enjoyed this experience with us. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And please leave your comments and feedback below. We love to hear from you and exchange ideas and suggestions. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.